En nog steeds op UJ en dit is tyd om 'n paar mense om die bos te lei. Met 'n versteekte kamera en 'n prankball. Ons het gemaak dat al die mense vir Chris bel. Nou, as jy deurkom na Chris toe, is hy en sy vrou besig om baie erg te beklei.
It is an honor student from previous years. He claims that he spoke to you specifically, but I don't know what's the story. Hoor net gou gebel hom wat sy studentnommer gaan ek snank en ek het gebel. Ja, hoor net gebel.
Hi, Chris.
We are speaking to Judith here from UJ. Can I kindly have your student number, please? Please move away, please. Yo, it's a check here. Please stay away from that person.
Wat was dit?
What's she fight?
Wat was dit?
I don't know, but she was throwing things at him.
You're the fighting.
The woman is swearing big words. He said, "Look, Jennifer, what? I don't know what she's doing to him."
It was definitely a cross line because that wasn't Chris van Dijk.
Okay, someone I know weer bel.
Vertel gou, ja?
Hi, Chris. I just need your student. Yes, please. Yeah, I've got the guy with me. Just go, see if you can do it.
Hello, Chris.
Oh no, this is horrible. Are you okay?
Ask him if he's okay.
He can't even speak.
Yeah, they're kicking him.
You don't hear how she's shouting.
Yeah, but I heard her.
How can you speak to somebody like that?
Okay.
Vang julle my.
I'm sorry, Connie. I'm sorry.
The microphone is in the bag.